Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI, and sometimes you just want a great cup of tea. One thing I absolutely adore about this tea from Zhivana is the fact that it is not leaving a ton of debris behind. So I love peppermint loose leaf tea. This is an organic tea. It's in a 10-ounce bag. The flavor and the fragrance are exceptional. But my number one favorite thing about this brand is the fact that there's no escaping from my filter. So many times when I brew a cup of loose leaf tea, even though I use a fine mesh filter, I do get a ton of tea leaf debris that's floating around in my tea. But that is not the case with this loose leaf tea from Zhivana. So if you want a delicious organic peppermint tea in a loose leaf variety, I definitely recommend this one. This has been a great option for my husband and I. We both love to drink loose leaf tea, and this peppermint has a delicious flavor, and that is my point of view.